upset, very disappointed. The ball has a special importance for him. Why? Because he plays with the ball. And what has happened when he suddenly lost the ball? He is very upset. A ball doesn't cost much. Ball is not an expensive thing. Is ball an expensive thing? No. But nor it is difficult to buy another ball. Ball is easily available in all the shops. Why then is the boy so upset? A ball is just a very cheap thing, and very easily the boy could have purchased another ball. Then what is the reason that the boy is so disappointed and upset when he loses his ball? It is because his childhood memories are attached to the ball. The boy is very emotionally attached to the ball. He has been playing with the ball since his childhood. So the ball is more valuable to him. All his childhood memories are linked with the ball. बॉल बहुत महंगा नहीं है, वो दूसरी बॉल भी खरीद सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी वो इतना अपसेट क्यों है? क्योंकि उस बॉल के साथ उसकी बचपन की सारी यादें जुड़ी हुई है. उसने उस बॉल से बहुत बचपन से खेला है. So that is the reason why he is so upset. Read the poem to see what the poet thinks has been lost and what the boy has to learn from the experience of losing something. And what the boy has to learn from the experience of losing something. The boy is experiencing loss for the first time. The boy is very carefree. He has never experienced loss. पहली बार जीवन में कुछ खोने का दर्द जो है वो महसूस कर रहा है. So what is the boy now? He who has lost his ball. What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. So, what is the boy? Can you hear me, all of you? Hello. Hello,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
voice is audible.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? So, what has happened to this boy? The boy has lost his ball. उसने अपना बॉल खो दिया है. What is he to do now? अब वो क्या करेगा? बॉल तो खो गया है. What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing. What's the meaning of merrily? What is the meaning of merrily? Tell me, anyone?
Ma'am, happy.
Happily. So, how did the ball get lost? The boy was bouncing the ball happily bouncing down the street. The boy was bouncing the ball down the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. And what has happened to the ball? The boy was happily bouncing the ball in the street, and the ball bounced and it fell in the water. वो पानी में गिर गया. बहुत ही खुशी से वो अपने बॉल को बाउंस कर रहा है गली में, and he's very happy playing with the ball. And all of a sudden, what happens? The ball falls in the water. There it is in the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. No use to say there are other balls. और भी balls होंगे, लेकिन उससे क्या? ये बॉल से बचपन की यादें जुड़ी हुई है. This childhood memories are linked with this ball. The boy has been playing with this ball right from the childhood, so it's very valuable for him. He is very emotionally attached to this ball. So no use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief What is the meaning of grief? Grief means
Sadness.
sorrow. Yes, grief means sorrow. So uh, what is the reaction of the boy when he loses his childhood ball, the ball with which he has been playing right from his childhood, right when he was a child? He is full of sorrow. Fixes the boy, एकदम वो पत्थर जैसा खड़ा हो जाता, fixes without any movement. He is so full of sorrow that he is standing still. Ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid. Rigid also means without any movement. Huh? Rigid, fixed, no movement. The boy is so sad that he does not move at all. He is fixed to his place as he stands rigid, trembling. Trembling means shaking. He is shaking, trembling. What will happen now? I have lost my dear ball. I've lost my lovely ball. What will happen now? He's shaking with fear, staring, looking with wide open eyes. घूरना, अब वो क्या कर सकता है? पानी में अपने बॉल को घूर रहा है. Hello, can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So he's looking with wide open eyes at the ball. What has happened to the ball? The ball has gone in the water, staring down all his young days into the harbor. Harbor means a port where the ships rest, huh? Resting place of ships. All his young days into the harbor. बचपन से जो है वो यही हार्बर में खेला करता था. Where his ball went, and now his ball has gone in the harbor. So all his young days into the boy has been playing in this port, in this resting place of ships right from his childhood, and now his ball has gone in the water. His ball went. I would not intrude him. Now the poet, he sees the boy, but the poet does not want to interfere. Poet does not want to interfere. Intrude means interfere. Enter forcibly, यहाँ मतलब interfere. तो पोएट चाहता तो वो जाके उस लड़के को दिलासा दे सकता था, उसको कंफर्ट कर सकता था, बट द पोएट डिसाइड्स नॉट टू डू सो. व्हाई? Because he wants to make the boy self-dependent. The boy should know how to lose something and how to recover on your own without anyone's support. Uh, it is a harsh reality of life. Everyone has to face loss. And once you face loss, you cannot get immersed in that loss. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ खो गया तो उसी में डूब जाएंगे, सब कुछ भूल जाएंगे. फिर उससे बाहर निकल के फिर मूव ऑन भी करना है. तो पोएट जो है वो इस लड़के को वही लाइफ का लेसन सिखाना चाहता है, that losing is a integral part of human life. Huh? You will keep losing things, but you have to stand up. A dime. Dime means currency. 10 cents होता है. 10 cents in US. It is currency. 10 cents. A dime, another ball is worthless. The ball does not cost much. Just you can purchase another ball with a dime. Is worthless. If the poet says to the boy that you can purchase another ball, that is worthless. Why? Because the boy will not listen, because money is not important for the boy. What is important? His childhood memories. He has been playing with his ball for a long time, so is worthless. Now he senses his first responsibility. So how does the boy sense his first responsibility? He senses his first responsibility means to lose and stand up again. What is a person's responsibility in life? that even if you face some difficulties, even if you lose something, even if you lose your loved ones, someone who is very close to you cannot get lost in that sorrow. ये नहीं कि आप दुख में डूब के बाकी जो है कुछ अपना ड्यूटी ही नहीं पूरा करेंगे. So in life you have to take practical decisions. You cannot always be emotional. So for the first time, this boy is a small boy. He has never experienced his loss. He is experiencing loss for the first time. He senses his first responsibility. In a world of possessions means material things. In a world of possessions, material things, this world is full of material things. So people will take balls. Balls here symbolize all the material things. People will take balls. So what does balls symbolize? Balls symbolize all the material things. It will happen in your life. Things will be stolen. People will forcibly take things from you, material things. But does that mean that you will just keep sitting in sorrow for days and days? ऐसा नहीं है. Balls, this is, so poet here is telling us that losing things is a harsh reality of life. Losing things is an integral part of life. सामान है तो वो खोएगा ही. सामान है तो हो सकता है कोई उसको ले भी ले जबरदस्ती, but you cannot get immersed in the sorrow. You have to come out of the sorrow. So here the poet is giving a message that we have to be very strong. We have to face loss and we have to stand up against the loss. Balls will be lost always. This is a materialistic world, and now and then you will keep losing the things. Balls will be lost always. People will keep losing things. Little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Once something is lost, money cannot buy it back. Money can buy it back, but it cannot buy back the same thing. Why? Because you are emotionally attached to that particular thing that you have lost. So money cannot buy the same thing back. It can buy a different thing, but it cannot buy the same thing. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. Money is just something very superficial. You can buy a new thing, whatever you have lost, but you cannot get that original feeling. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. Money is something very external. Money is something very superficial. So money is external. Money is something very superficial, external. Any doubts till now? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Balls will be lost always. So losing, what the poet is trying to tell us, that losing is an integral part of human life. Losing is a harsh reality of life. एक minute. पूछने वाला. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
ये है तो ले लीजिए. So In a world of possessions, people will take balls. So the poet is trying to make us realize that in this materialistic world, people will keep losing things, but we have to face that. We have to face that, and then we have to stand up again. We have to stand up against the loss once again. He senses his first responsibility in a world of possessions. So the boy here is learning the first lesson of his life. What first lesson is he learning? That even if you lose something, you have to come out of the loss. He senses his first responsibility. And the boy has to realize that in this materialistic world, you will keep on losing things. In a world of possessions, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always. Balls will be lost always. There will come instances in your life when you will lose your possessions, when you will lose your materialistic things. Balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. You cannot buy the same ball back. You can buy another ball, but with money you cannot buy the same ball back. Money is external. Money is something very superficial, no emotions attached. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. So, what is the reaction of the boy after losing his ball? वो बॉल जो है वो पानी में चला गया है. देयर इट इज इन द वाटर. पानी में चला गया है तो वो बॉल वापस नहीं आ सकता. The boy knows this, and so he is disappointed. The boy is disappointed. He is feeling hopeless. He is feeling hopeless. So, what feelings are there in his eyes? The feeling of hopelessness. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. There is the feeling of hopelessness in his eyes. अब तो मुझे अपना बचपन का प्यारा बॉल नहीं मिल सकता है. वो बॉल जिससे मैं बचपन से खेलता आ रहा हूँ, जिससे मेरी सारी मेमोरीज अटैच्ड है, चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज. All his childhood memories are linked with the ball. The ball may be a very cheap thing, but why is it so valuable? Because he has been playing with that ball right from his childhood. And he's so disappointed. The ball has fallen in the water, he cannot get it back. So, what is he learning? He is learning the epistemology. Epistemology means knowledge. Epistemology is a Greek word which means knowledge. So, what is the boy learning? The boy is learning the knowledge of loss. The boy is learning that in life you will lose many things. You lose your material possessions. Sometimes you lose your loved ones. But you have to face that loss, and then you have to strongly come out of that. How to stand up? How to stand up, how to face it and come out of it. Of loss, how to stand up means how to face it boldly. Knowing what every man must know one day. So this is the harsh reality of life. This is the harsh reality of life. Every man must know one day. This is harsh reality that every man must know one day, that losing is an integral part of human life. You will lose things, you will lose your loved ones, but that doesn't mean that your life comes to a standstill. That doesn't mean that your life has ended. So adversities are a part of human life. You will have bad days, but that doesn't mean that you will get immersed in your sorrow. दुख में डूब जाएंगे, कुछ करेंगे नहीं. Knowing that every man must know one day, and most know many days, how to stand up. And people should learn how to stand up, how to cope up with the loss. People should know how to cope up with the loss. That is very important in life. You cannot just uh, get lost in that losing and then do nothing. Life does not move that way. You have to face difficulties and then you have to come out bravely of those difficulties. Is it clear? You want to ask anything? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ पूछना है?
Yes, ma'am.
पूछो. Any line that you haven't understood? It is so by this poem the poet is giving us the message that adversities uh, are integral part of human life. It is a harsh reality of life. in your in your life you will keep on losing things. In your life you will keep on losing your loved ones, but that doesn't mean that life has stopped. It is a part of life. You have to face it, you have to move on. That is the lesson that the poet is trying to teach, and he wants to teach this boy also the same lesson. that is why that is why when the boy loses the ball that is why when the boy loses the ball, he he doesn't go and console the boy. uh, would not intrude. He does not want to interfere. He does not want to go and console the boy because he wants the boy to become strong by himself. There will arise situations in life when he would have nobody to support him. So he has to stand up without the external support. He would have gone and consoled the boy. He would have purchased a new ball for the boy. But that is not going to solve the problem. He will solve the problem once, but what will happen when the boy will lose another thing again? All the time you cannot have some external support. So the poet, he is watching the boy so hopeless, so sad, but he wants the boy to be very strong. He wants the boy to learn this harsh lesson of life. That is why he does not interfere. So shall we move to the question answers? कुछ ऐसा है कि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
Shaking grief. Oh, there are other balls. The word suggests that loss is not important enough to worry about. No loss is so important that you keep on worrying about it. Shaking grief. Shaking grief means which sadness which greatly affects the boy. The boy is greatly affected by the losing of the ball, because one thing he knows, he cannot get the ball. It has fallen in the water. यहाँ वहाँ अगर आसपास के जगह में जाता तो उसको वापस मिल सकता था, but the ball has fallen in the water and the boy very well knows he cannot get the ball back. In life also this thing will happen. You know that you cannot get a thing that has gone away. Sadness which greatly affects the boy. Rigid means stiff. So when he loses the ball, the boy becomes rigid. There is no movement. He just intrude on, enter a situation where one is not welcome. A dime, it is the currency of US. It means 10 cents. Desperate, hopeless, epistemology of loss, understanding the nature of loss. So the poet wants the boy to understand the epistemology of loss. The epistemology is a Greek word. So we move on to the first question. Why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? पोएट चाहते तो वो जाके उस लड़के को दिलासा दे सकते थे, कंफर्ट कर सकते थे. तो why doesn't the poet offer his help? Come on, answer.
Because he wants to manage him the things by his own
Yes, he wants to.
and know the loss.
He wants to make the boy rough and tough. He wants to make him strong, self-dependent, so that he does not need any external support when he loses anything for the next time. He doesn't offer him money or support because he wants the boy to be self-dependent and be strong by himself. Staring down, staring matlab घूरना, staring down all his young days into the harbor. So the boy had been playing in the harbor right from his childhood. Staring down, his ball went. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time?
Maybe
Hello. Answer. Shikha, answer karo. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Hello, anyone answer? Jigyasa, Divyani?
No,
नहीं है.
no, it seems that, ma'am.
Aditya, very good. Chalo, answer.
No, it seemed that the boy had not lost anything earlier. The words that suggest so her are his same first responsibility in the word of
नहीं क्वेश्चन है कि
possession.
वो क्या बॉल बहुत दिनों से उसके पास था. Has had the ball for a
No, ma'am.
long time. वो बॉल बहुत दिनों से उसके पास था या नया नया उसने खरीदा था?
Yes, I think so. The
नया
boy
लिया
has
था.
the ball from his younger days.
Yes, the boy has had the ball for a long time. It is linked to his childhood memories when he played with it. For this, answer is yes, the boy has had the ball for a long time and his childhood memories are linked with it. In the poem there is a line, his young days into the harbor. The line is there in the poem. You can see in the first or second stanza. इसमें है, there is no use to say that an ultimate fix as he stands all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. This line shows that he has been playing this ball all his young days into the harbor. This very line shows that he has had the ball for a long time. Then what does in the world of possessions mean? Possession means what? What does in the world of
Position means materialistic world.
yes, world of possessions means materialistic world. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier?
No, I don't think so, because there's a line in which it's seen that he senses his first responsibility.
Yes, Soumya, very good. The boy hasn't lost anything earlier. The words that suggest is he senses his first responsibility. He senses his first responsibility. That suggests that he hasn't lost anything earlier. What does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? You have to explain it in your own words. The boy is learning the harsh reality of losing things and standing up after losing it. The boy is learning the tough lesson of life that In life, you will keep on losing your materialistic things, and that doesn't mean that you have to get lost in it. You have to come out of the loss. You have to cope up with the loss. That is the, you have to write it in your own words. So your homework is to do the question answers of this chapter. I will also give you some extra questions. First you do these questions, then I will send some extra questions. कुछ कुछ क्लियर नहीं है तो पूछ सकते हो. Hello, hello, my voice is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है. So, okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
मैम इंग्लिश आप ही पढ़ाएंगी?
इतना दिन बाद तुमको पता चला है कि इंग्लिश हम ही पढ़ाएंगे. हाँ, हम ही पढ़ाएंगे.
मैम इंग्लिश आप ही पढ़ाएंगी?
Yes, yes, Shikha. Yes, I'm going to teach you.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.